Hello friends, welcome to today's video, and today we are going to learn a very basic uh, about the PowerPoint presentation. So PowerPoint presentation is used in every other company to give presentations, to create a storyline, to create graphs, charts. So this is a very basic slide of PowerPoint, and we can click here to add a title, my PowerPoint tutorial, and we can create some bullet points here like uh, Outlook, PowerPoint, then Excel, then Word, and also we can select these bullet points and we can change it to numbers, or you can use any other form of numbers like Roman numbers or alphabetical sequencing, or even you can change the bullet types to square boxes, to these flowers, to these tick marks. So now if you want to add another slide, so you can go to this section, slide section. You can click on this button directly, new slide. So as you can see, it gives you the same type of slide as we had already. So if you want to change the layout of this slide, you can go to the layout drop down and you can choose the layout whichever you want. So suppose if you want a blank slide, you can choose a blank slide, and if you want to insert a picture, you can go to this layout, and if you want picture with caption, then you can, so there are multiple purposes of each slide. And so let's suppose we are going to a blank slide or a two content slide. So here again it gives you an option to enter the title. So my PowerPoint tutorial. If you can see, there are some options here by default given by the Microsoft. So you can insert a chart, insert a table. So if you want to insert a table in this box, you can select the number of rows and columns. And if you want to insert a chart, you can insert multiple types of charts like pie chart, bar chart, column chart, radar chart. So every chart has its own use. So you can do that as well. So if you want to insert a smart art graphic, you can do that. And if you want to insert a picture, or if you want to insert a picture from online or insert a video, so you can do that as well. So if you want to change the background color of the slide, you can do that. So there are multiple ways of doing it. So you can simply insert a box here. We can do shape outline to no outline. We can give a fill color to a nice dark background and send them to back. And we can change the font color to white. And the other way around is, I'll press Ctrl Z. The another way of doing it is, we can simply right click on the slide, go to format background, and see here we have multiple options of changing the background. So we have solid fill, gradient fill, picture fill, pattern fill. So we can use different patterns, or we are going to do right now is simply a solid fill, and we are going to use the same color, and we are just changing the text color to white so it is completely visible. See, so this is a very basic, so this was a very basic tutorial about the PowerPoint. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.